Hey guys, it's Alicia from MakingTimeForMommy.com. I just got back from a trip to Sears to get some toys. This shop was compensated by Collective Bias, which is an awesome group that I'm a part of. And they sent me to Sears to get some toys, like I said, which before I thought they only had tools, clothes, I never knew they had toys. So I was really excited to go there, see what they had. I was shopping for my 1-year-old and 2-year-old boys, and came back with some pretty cool things, so I want to share them with you. The first thing I got, my boys love Dinosaur Train, and I got these cool train cars with dinosaurs. Here's the conductor, Buddy, one of the main characters, and then Tank. So these were pretty neat. I haven't found many Dinosaur Train items, so I was really excited to find these. The next thing I found was a Leapfrog Text and Learn. It has, it's an on-the-go kind of game system type thing. It has 6 animated games. You can, there's alphabet things, and it's really cool. I was really excited to find this. Great for the car, for doctor's office waiting rooms, when you have to wait for a very, very long time. And the last thing I found, actually I found a lot, but the last thing I bought, I should say, was this Alphabet Train floor puzzle. 28 pieces, 10 feet long. My 2-year-old is really into his alphabet lately and learning them, so I thought this would be great, and he loves trains, so I thought he would really love this. I'm really excited to give these to my kids for Christmas, and a big thanks again to Collective Bias. Also, just to let you know the prices of these things, this floor puzzle, $10.39. This Leapfrog Text and Learn was $21.99, and then these 3 were each $5.99. So I ended up spending a little over $50. Great gifts at Sears. In their